We are at Tower, Colorado. Anyway.
You remember when I was trying to do that format for my...
Oh yeah, your thumbnails.
Yeah.
4 elevators here. Wow.
Yeah, these are interesting.
Oh wow, skybox.
That's the top floor column.
Hold on, let's let this
So we
one
can-
shut.
That's the one.
I want to get my cab view.
Here, I'll try. My focus is
Oh, yeah, the
good enough.
cabinet's open.
all
And it
keys.
tells you what key it needs. Emergency light? Doesn't work. Skybox. Ooh. This is
Yeah,
kind of
that's-
tall. It serves 15 floors.
Yeah. Lobby is a different floor than one.
Huh, yeah. And then there's penthouse and then
Well, then there's
skybox
P2 and
above it.
P1. This is like 18.
This is 17 floors. Holy crap. These are kind of tall.
Very slow though.
Yeah.
I wonder
Very-
if Skybox is like a restaurant.
Yeah, I'm really curious as to what's out here. Oh, dang.
It's just
Oh, look. Looks like there's like an area. You can get a view. Oh, wow. Look, you can see the tech center. Pretty. Anyway. Oh, look. It's closed, so no one will care if I take a shot. Look at that. That's a nice
It's
view.
a shame this isn't like a restaurant or something. I bet you this Balanced Health Botanicals. I wonder if this is like a weed company or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's what it
sounds
is.
like.
If I had to guess. I'm curious, what's penthouse then?
Oh, you want to go to Penthouse?
Yeah, just see what's that.
The fact that there is 2 penthouse levels. I gotta get a picture of the COP. This is a cool one.
Yeah, they like their innovation bar buttons.
Those are rare, actually.
The Bruiser ones, yeah, those are not common. I was gonna say. What the heck is penthouse?
Penthouse is just the same.
Oh, just other stuff. Alright, down to
There's P2.
P2. Here, let me get a picture of the COP. It's very interesting.
I like how they put the sign right there. This elevator is equipped with UV sterilization and negative ion pressure filtration fan.
Whoa.
Fancy. I bet you it's a regular fan.
With a purple light bulb.
Bobby?
No. Numero uno.
1.
Thank you. Or P1.
There's so many ones.
A lot of ones.
You get a perfect pass down the garage.
Sexual favors. Adios.
Have a nice weekend. Oh yeah, it's Friday.
That's right. Means we got stuff to do starting Sunday.
Take care.
See you guys.
I like the door frames here. It's kind of cool.
Is there a cafe down here if you want?
No, it's just
Outside.
parking. Oh, right.
On P2. We need to get off on P2.
I like those door
Now,
frames.
I kind of wonder.
It's just a sign.
It's just signs. That's interesting. Should we go back
Door
to the lobby?
opens into oncoming traffic. Yes. Ooh, that one lights up green.
Yeah, I want to get a picture
Ooh,
of that.
that's rare.
It's
That's very rare. A green innovation bar security bar button. Now that's pretty rare.
Green Innovation Security, or Bruiser, actually has green.
Oh yeah, Bruiser, my
That's
bad. My
rare.
bad. Yeah, and then there's a bar button. Whoa.
I do like these jams.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. These are kind of neat. You know what? That's it.